Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hop. For this example, we're told to differentiate with respect to x, and we're given the following equation. 3y squared plus sine of 1 minus x squared is equal to y cubed. We can see that since this equation is defined implicitly, then we must use implicit differentiation. This means we will differentiate both sides with respect to x. So the derivative of the left side, which is 3y squared plus sine of 1 minus x squared is equal to the derivative of the right side with respect to x. Now we will differentiate each side by applying the differentiation rules we've learned, including the sum/difference rule, power rule, and the chain rule. Thus we get that the derivative of 3y squared plus the derivative of sine of 1 minus x squared is equal to the derivative of y cubed. To find the derivative of 3y squared, we are going to apply the chain rule. So that gives us 3 times 2y using the power rule, and then times the derivative of y with respect to x. So dy over dx. Then to find the derivative of sine of 1 minus x squared, we're going to apply the chain rule again. So this is equal then to the derivative of the outside function, which is cosine of 1 minus x squared, then times the derivative of the inside function, 1 minus x squared, which is equal to negative 2x. And the derivative of y cubed, using the chain rule, is equal to the derivative of y cubed with respect to y. So that's equal to 3 times y squared, using the power rule, times the derivative of y with respect to x. So dy over dx. Now let's simplify. So we have 6y times dy over dx minus 2x times cosine of 1 minus x squared. And this is equal to 3y squared times dy over dx. Now we're going to isolate for dy over dx. So we will move all the terms with dy over dx to one side. This means that 6y times dy over dx minus 3y squared times dy over dx is equal to 2x times cosine of 1 minus x squared. And factoring out dy over dx, we get dy over dx times 6y minus 3y squared is equal to 2x times cosine of 1 minus x squared. And this gives us dy over dx is equal to 2x times cosine of 1 minus x squared over 6y minus 3y squared. And if we common factor out 3y from the bottom, then this is equal to 2x times cosine of 1 minus x squared over 3y times 2 minus y. And this gives us the derivative of y with respect to x using implicit differentiation. That's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.